Temu verification code not received. How to fix Temu verification problem. So if you're not receiving verification code on Temu whenever you're trying to maybe sign into your account or any sort of thing like that, so there are a couple of things that you can check. The first is by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using the Temu app on Android, long press the Temu app icon, then tap on this I button to come to the app info page, then go to app info from here. Now from here, go to storage usage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Now if you're using on iPhone, you might have to simply offload the app. Then after that, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Temu and check if it has an update. And if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. And also make sure that the email address or phone number that you entered for the login process is also correct, because without that also, you could have been facing the issue. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.